Hey everybody, it's a minute before launch. It's gonna be coming from that light you see right there. So be ready. It's 11:05 right now, so it should be launching pretty soon. Too bad I couldn't hear.
A minute 4 till. Minute 4 till the first window.
Oh, here we go. You can see the sky lighting up. Must be engines blazing over there.
Excuse me.
Sure, we'll hear it soon. Any shockwaves? Oh yeah, it's definitely getting brighter. Brighter still. Brighter. Here we go.
Come here, Sarah. Come here.
That was it though. Cloudy night, man. Too bad for cloudy night, huh? We'll see it again? Really?
You can see it kind of going through the clouds.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Right there.
Oh, look. You'll see it up even higher in the sky.
You're right. Those clouds are. No, yeah. Oh, yeah. This will be about 4 more seconds. Here it comes out of nowhere.
Should be coming soon.
There you go. It's coming out of
Oh,
nowhere.
here we go. Go Rocket!
Who said it's going left? Who said it's going left?
Too bad it's like a little blip of light.
Well, in the daytime, it wouldn't be that.
Yeah, if it was daytime, you would be able to see it,
know,
but
that's
all you can see right now is like the trail and just the rocket itself. Like the glowing part. The engines are blazing.
No. Right to,
Ooh, it's getting even bigger. You can just barely hear it. It's going to the right.
It's slowing down, guys.
It's going to space. It's not going to slow down.
It's stopping.
Nah, it's going up.
That's unbelievable. We just saw the one. We saw the one that retired today, right over here. Oh, no.
Really sucks that it's only a little blip. But that right there is a rocket from really far away.
Isn't that amazing? It's going almost vertical right now, probably.
It's gonna be going to the ISS.
That is awesome, man. I'm not leaving here until the star disappears. Yeah, I agree, man. That's unbelievable.
It's like a star in the sky that's moving.
You know how big that thing is?
Yeah.
As big as 727.
I've seen that thing on TV.
Yeah.
It is
Like a
huge.
building. Flying building.
It
You can
is.
still see it. So who said it was going left out of the sky? That's what I want to know.
It does. It goes kind of this way. She doesn't know.
Oh, I think they turned off the engines because you can't see it at all.
Nope, because they know I'm left-handed.
That's funny.
It's gone.
It's gone
Not another one of these.
because it got to space that quick.
No, it's gone.
Wow.
No, there it is. think that's a little cloud reflection.
Oh, you can still see it. It's a star. It's a beautiful star.
People.
It's amazing. You can find.
You really can't see much.
Amazing.
Well, bye for this anticlimactic video.
So you should cut his hand.
Right?